balik. Nabalik dre. Repeat. I'll let you in the dark. You let me out. You make me feel as though I was enough. You dance the night away. We drunk too much. I heard your hair back when you were throwing up. When you smiled over your shoulder, for a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over, and you asked me to stay over. No, and you asked, okay, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. We then, I know I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay, but I wanna stay with you until we're getting old. Say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. That's it. So, paulay sa tasak itong coding, pa-music sa tagadjut. And then later, back to work.